Sit in stillness, sit relaxed. Let your body and your mind be at ease. In the presence of the divine teams that each one of you have, in the presence of the ancestors that you are linked with, that you're connected to, in the presence of the ascended masters that you have a lineage with, in the presence of your higher self, in the here and now. This journey is to receive blessings, is to integrate blessings, is to invoke blessings from all directions, from all dimensions, from all the divine beings that are here for you, for your journey. As you stand in the middle, surrounded by all of these loving divine beings, you can literally feel yourself filling up with unconditional love, blessings, and the divine light. It fills up every pore of you. It fills up every cell of yours. The record keepers, the helpers, all those who are present for you, they are there for you in every sense of the word. In the ancestral lineage timeline, all the gifts that you have not yet explored, that you are not yet aware of, you're now given an intuitive knowing of the gifts which are still unexplored from your ancestral lineage timeline. And as you get to see it, sense it, know it, it is time to activate these gifts for yourself. You have full freedom to choose when you will activate these gifts for yourself, at what age, at what stage in your life. You're going to encash this blank check. And as you receive these gifts through your ancestors, through remembering and reconnecting with all your ancestors, again across dimensions, realities, lifetimes, and timelines. And in many lifetimes, you have been your own ancestors. So it's a receiving through and through for you. Whatever you're holding, knowingly or unknowingly, in your mind, in your heart, in your energy body, in your physical space, as a barrier to these gifts, to the exploration and expression of these gifts. In this moment, you have full freedom to dismantle all of them. As all of this is happening, you find yourself and your ancestors in front of the tree of life. And it's like all of you are like little children holding hands and circling around the tree of life. As you circle and dance, as you cherish and receive from the tree of life, it fills up your body, it fills up you and your ancestors with more light, with more delight, with more wisdom and love. Trauma carried in the ancestral lineage, you are being allowed to use the symbol of mace, the gada, to break the patterns, the trauma patterns carried and brought forth by generations, time and again. In the here and now, you are being given the ability and the opportunity to break these patterns, these limiting patterns in your records, through your records. This clearance is now a blessing for you and those in your lineage who have come forth as the generation next to you, or who will come forth as a generation in succession to you and yours. All of you hug the tree of life and hug each other. You have arms around each other, and all of you are hugging the tree of life. It's a magical and healing moment for each of the souls who have come forth for this moment of the journey. It's a time of celebration. It's a point of joyful coming together of so many generations, so many souls. Each breath, each heartbeat anchors in for you the brilliance, the opulence, the ease, the glory, the grandeur of life itself and the tree of life. Both are synonymous to you being you, to your authenticity, to your independence, to your courage, to your compassionate self, to the unconditional love that you're capable of carrying and bringing forth for yourself and for others. Abundance, abundance of peace, abundance of ease, abundance of all that is for your highest good and greatest joy. Everything and every aspect of abundance is getting transmitted, transcribed, and integrated into you. Across lifetimes and timelines, it is now time to pull back, to call back all parts of you, all versions of you, all bits and pieces of you that you had left behind for whatever reason. All of it is now integrated into you with love and light, imbued into it. All that does not belong to you, all those paths which are not yours, you return it all back to the source with love and consciousness attached to it. Integrated, 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 integrated all that was possible to be integrated, all that is ripe and ready to be integrated, activated, 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 all that was meant to be activated. Thanking the tree of life, all the archangels, the divine beings, ancestors, the Akashic records, the record keepers, all the five elements, guardian angels, spirit guides. It is now time to gently come back into the room, into the chair, into the body, into the time-space reality of this earth dimension, fully invigorated, recalibrated, embracing all your gifts, all the magic that you truly be. Gently rub your palms, place them on your eyes, open your eyes whenever you are ready. Thank your room, thank your family for everything. You can take a few moments to write whatever you need to write down. And then close your records.